Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 67, it is for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1, Trihydric Alcohols. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the chemical properties of trihydric alcohols. Glycerol molecule contains two primary and one secondary alcoholic groups. Usually the primary alcoholic groups are more reactive. However, it shows the chemical reactions of both the types of groups. See, this is the molecule, glycerol molecule, and it contains two primary hydroxy groups and one is secondary hydroxy group. Reaction with sodium. Glycerol reacts with sodium at room temperature to form monosodium glycerol, while at higher temperature it forms disodium glycerol. See, so it will shows that mono means one hydroxy group require lower temperature, room temperature, and it is reacted with sodium easily and form monosodium glycerol. For second hydroxy group, it requires higher temperature and form disodium glycerol. Reaction with acetic acid, acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride gives mono, di and triacetate glycerols. See here, mono, di and triacetate glycerol. When glycerol is reacted with oxalic acid at 110 degrees centigrade, it will evolve water molecule and form glycerol monooxalate, which on heating decompose carbon dioxide gas and form glycerol monoformate. This glycerol monoformate on hydrolysis, it will give glycerol plus formic acid. When glycerol is heated with oxalic acid, it first forms glycerol dioxalate, which decomposes at the high temperature to give allyl alcohol. See here, with oxalic acid. At higher temperature, it will give glycerol 1,2-oxalate, and at 260 degrees centigrade temperature, when it is heated, it will form allyl alcohol. Action of inorganic acid. Glycerol when reacted with nitric acid, 3 molecules of nitric acid, it will form glyceryl trinitrate or nitroglycerine. It is used as an explosive and it is prepared by Alfred Nobel. Condensation with aldehyde and ketone. When glycerol molecule is reacted with aldehyde, it will form cyclic acetal, and with acetone, it will form cyclic ketone. Reaction with acid. Glycerol reacts with acid to form chloroderivatives. Monochlorohydrin with excess, it will form dichlorohydrin. Similarly, it can react with hydroiodic acid and form corresponding compound. Glycerol itself or any of these chlorohydrins when treated with PCl5 yields glyceryl trichloride. See here. Oxidation of glycerol. Glycerol is oxidized with various type of reagent and to form various type of product, corresponding product. So it can form glycerol, uh, uh, aldehyde, glyceric acid, tartronic acid, dihydroxyacetone, hydroxypyruvic acid, mesoxalic acid, oxalic acid, and etc. Oxidation with different reagents give different products. Dilute nitric acid gives mainly glyceric acid. Concentrate nitric acid gives glyceric and tartronic acid. Sodium nitrate gives mesoxalic acid. Fenton's reagent, it is prepared from FeSO4 plus H2O. It will give glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. With bromine water, it will form with bromine water and sodium carbonate, it will give glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. With the solid KMnO4, it will give oxalic acid plus carbon dioxide. It is this reaction is used for in time bomb preparations. Dehydration. Glycerol when heated alone or in the presence of H2SO4, P2O5, AHSO4, it will give acrolein. Application. Glycerol is used as a sweetening agent in medicines, as a preservatives for food products and cosmetics. It is used for soaps and cosmetics. It is used in automobiles as an anti-freezing agent. It is used in radiator to maintain the temperature of the machine, engine. As a lubricant in watches, moisture conditioner for tobacco products, non-drying inks, printing inks and stamp pad inks are also used glycerol. Allyl alcohol, preparation of allyl alcohol, tartronic acid, acrylonic acid, also prepared from glycerol. In the manufacture of acid-proof cement, it is used in preparation of alkyl resins, estrifying resins. It is used in explosive chemical trinitroglycerin. Thank you very much for today's lecture.